Hello, everyone. I am so glad you are here today. Today, we will talk about one powerful idea: perceive the world as a friendly place. This idea can change your life. It can change how you wake up in the morning. It can change how you treat other people. Let us explore this idea together, step by step. Here is a simple question. How do you see the world? Do you see it as a dangerous place? A place full of problems and bad people? Or do you see it as a friendly place? The way you answer this question matters very much. It shapes everything in your life. Albert Einstein once asked, "Is the universe friendly?" If you believe the world is friendly, you will live with openness and courage. If you believe the world is dangerous, you will live with fear and closed doors. This video is about choosing to see the world as a friendly place. 1. Where does this idea come from? This idea is not new. Many wise people throughout history have taught it. In modern times, psychologists have studied this idea carefully. They have found something amazing. People who have a positive and trusting view of the world are healthier, happier, and more successful. This is not just a feeling, it is science. This does not mean we ignore problems. It means we face them with courage and trust. We believe that solutions exist. We believe that the story is not over yet. 2. The power of perception. Perception means the way you see and understand something. People can look at the same thing and see it differently. Here is a simple example. It is raining outside. One person says, "What a terrible day! Everything is ruined." Another person says, "How wonderful! The plants will grow. The air will be fresh." Same rain, two different perceptions, two very different feelings. Our perception is shaped by many things. It is shaped by our childhood. It is shaped by our experiences. It is shaped by the stories we tell ourselves. And the good news is, it can be changed. We are not prisoners of our old ways of seeing. We can learn to see differently. We can train our minds to look for the good. This takes time and effort. When you begin to see the world as friendly, small things start to change. You notice a stranger's kindness. You trust that tomorrow will bring something good. And slowly, life begins to feel lighter.
3. People are mostly good. One of the main reasons people see the world as unfriendly is because of other people. We have been hurt, we have been disappointed. Someone we trusted let us down. But here is something important to remember. Most people, in their hearts, are good. Think about the last time you were in trouble. Maybe you were lost in a new city. What happened? Most likely, someone helped you. A stranger showed you the way. These small acts happen every day. People help each other constantly. We just do not notice because our minds focus on the bad news. The news on television shows us crimes and disasters. This is because bad news gets our attention. But for every crime, there are thousands of acts of kindness. For every disaster, there are thousands of helpers. When you believe this, your whole relationship with other people changes. You become more open, you smile more, and people respond to you differently. They become warmer, more friendly. This is one of the most beautiful secrets of life. 4. Nature is on your side. The natural world is also a friendly place. Every morning the sun rises. It gives light and warmth to every living thing. It does not choose. It gives freely to everyone. Every moment of your life you breathe. You do not have to ask for air. It is always there. It is a gift. Think about water. It falls from the sky as rain. It fills the rivers and oceans. It grows our food. It cleans our bodies. It is one of the most generous forces in nature. Think about the earth under your feet. It holds you up. It is always there, solid and steady. You walk on it every day without thinking, but it is supporting you in every step. The natural world is designed to support life. This is a form of friendliness, a deep, quiet, constant friendliness. When you go outside and notice these things, you feel less alone. You feel cared for. You are part of this world. You were born from it. It is your home. 5. Challenges are friendly too. This might be the hardest part of our story. Can a challenge be friendly? Can a difficulty be a gift? Yes, it can. Think about the times in your life when things were hard. These moments hurt deeply. But now, looking back, what happened? Did those hard times teach you something? Did they make you stronger? Did they turn out to be better? Most people, when they look back honestly, will say yes. The hard times changed them. The difficulties shaped them. The challenges made them who they are today. A friendly world does not mean an easy world. It means a purposeful world. A world where even the hard things have meaning. A world where nothing is wasted. 6. How to start seeing the world as friendly. This is the practical part. Here are some simple ways to begin. Start your morning with gratitude. Gratitude trains your mind to see the good. Try to notice at least one kind act every day. A driver who lets someone cross the road. A shopkeeper who remembers your name. These moments are everywhere. Speak kindly to yourself. Talk to yourself like a good friend. Encourage yourself. Trust yourself. The way you talk to yourself matters. Spend time in nature. Go outside. Look at the sky. Nature is always peaceful. It always reminds us that life is beautiful and that we are supported. Choose your stories carefully. The stories you consume shape your view of the world. Choose also stories of hope, courage, and kindness. Fill your mind with both truth and beauty. Be the friendliness you want to see. Smile at a stranger. Hold a door open. Say thank you sincerely. Help someone who is struggling. When you put friendliness into the world sends it back. 7. Conclusion. The choice is yours. We have come to the end of our journey today. Let us remember what we have learned. There are problems and bad news in the world, but the world is also full of kindness. It is full of beauty. It is full of lessons hidden inside challenges. It is full of gifts given quietly by nature. How you see the world is a choice. Choose to see the world as a friendly place. You are choosing the most powerful and most life-giving way to live. You will open more doors. You will meet more good people. You will face your challenges with more courage. You will feel more grateful. As Einstein asked, Is the universe friendly? Choose to say yes, and then watch how the universe responds. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Go out today with open eyes and an open heart. Look for the good. Trust in life. The world is friendlier than you think.